an awesome pretty box from Falcon Eyes IRISA 1. This is the RGB LED stick, the smallest one. There's two bigger ones. And in this video, what I want to do is with you, open this box up, take a look what's inside, what features does it have, and most importantly, get out on the street and see how this RGB LED stick can be used both for photographers and videographers. Are you ready? Let's have that B-roll. Ooh, first of all, the pouch looks absolutely amazing with a nice logo of Falcon Eyes and a cool zipper and also the hanger here. And when you open this up, what do we have? A really nice light, and it's actually quite decent in a weight. The cool thing about this light is that first of all, it's built very well. It's aluminum inside and a lot of plastic, but it's very sturdy plastic. It actually is splash proof, so you can go ahead and have it outside in the rain as well. You also have really cool magnetic things on both ends, so it can be attached in a lot of different places, and we're gonna take a look later in the video where exactly. So regarding the ports, you have USB-C charging port, and the cable comes with it. It's also equipped with the mini XLR in and out ports, so it supports the DMX control to meet different lighting requirements. There's also a tripod screw mount, 1/4 of an inch, I believe this is it. So we can mount it on a tripod in different angles and positions. And it has really nice buttons. They're comfortable to press, and the menu is basically very easy to navigate back and forth and shuffle, turn on and off and so on. And also it features a small screen, so you can see everything you're doing with this light. So build quality and the operation is amazing on this light, and it feels very sturdy, very heavy, and I wouldn't be worried if I would drop it or leave it in the rain for a little bit. It seems very good. As the guys from Falcon Eyes say, they're using the latest RGB technology, and actually all the stats that I'm looking at is very good. The light temperature goes from 2500 all the way up to 10,000 Kelvin. The CRI, which is the what is the CRI? Dear Google, what is the CRI? Color rendering index, yeah. So the CRI of this light is 96, and you don't want anything below 95 or 90, and 96 is very good. The power output is 13 watts, and it actually has a really big battery inside, 3200 milliampere hour. It should give us 2 hours of use, and you can charge this thing in 2.5 hours as well. Yeah, regarding the light itself, the functionality is something you would expect from any RGB light. It has, the regular white light with different temperatures. It has the RGB mode, so you can go on all the red, green, blue colors from 0 to 255. It has the HSI mode. It has the color gel modes, like a lot of them. And of course you have a ton of effect scenes modes like the police car, the ambulance, lightnings, and all those things. And of course it has this amazing Desalight app, so that means you can take a picture or control the light completely from the app, and you can pick whatever color you want on your phone, so you don't have to be pressing all the buttons, which is a really sweet feature for this particular light. So regarding the usage outside, the light can be used in a ton of different situations. First of all, because of the magnets on the light, you can put it on any metallic surface. If you're shooting a video, you can use the light above the subject as a hair light or to create a certain mood. Please note that we used quite high output and smoke just so you see the effect of the light. In normal situation, obviously, it wouldn't be necessary. Another way of using the light is to either put it in front of the subject or quite the opposite, behind the subject, so you don't see the source of the light but only the effect of it. When it comes to photos, you can use this light in exactly the same ways as for videos, and in one more way, which is drawing light trails. You just simply need to set the exposure at least 10 seconds and make the drawings in any color, shape or form. I bet there's a ton of other ways of using this light. This is just few examples of how we used it. So to sum it up, I think this is a quite cool light and that can be used in a lot of different situations. As I mentioned before, they have 2 more sizes, so you can choose whichever fits you the best. So currently this light, depending on where you are, is about 150 bucks. But I think it's well worth the money because of how well it's built, because of all of the features and actually how powerful it is, and the usage can be really wide and varied. Alright guys, that is it for me in this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think about the RGB lights in general, if you would be getting one or if you think it's a wise idea to have one, and if you would have one, how would you use? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. How am I supposed to record if there's a freaking alarm to some car and some shit? Oh, it ended. Great, we can continue the video. Amazing. So I was saying that this light is amazing, by the way.